This is how TikTok famous Korean corn dogs are made. Crispy outside, molten cheese inside.
It starts with everyday staple. Hot dogs, mozzarella, batter, crumbs, and a little potato crunch.
First, prep the filling so every bite has hot dog and cheese in the right spot.
Skewers keep it stable, so the coating stays even and the cheese doesn't slip. A short chill helps the cheese hold its shape when it lifts hot oil. The batter is slightly yeasted, so it fries up airy, not heavy. Mix until thick and stretchy. Slow ribbons mean it will cling to the skewer. Let it rest until bubbles. Those pockets become crisp, light texture. Small potato cubes cook fast and give that extra crackly bite.
An assembly line keeps it clean, dip, coat, fry, then straight to a rack.
When the oil bubbles around wood, it's ready. Hot enough to puff and crisp fast. Dip and twist. An evil coat means an even crunch. Press the potatoes in gently. This is the signature chunky layer.
Panko locks in the crunch. Pat it tight so it won't shed in the oil.
Lower it slowly. Hot oil expands the batter and sets the shell.
Work in batches. Steady heat keeps the coating crisp and the inside perfectly melty. A rack keeps it crisp. Paper towels can trap steam and soften the shell.
Inside, the cheese stays molten because the outside sets fast in hot oil.
And that's the full build.
TikTok famous Korean corn dogs, made start to finish in one real kitchen.